All right, travel enthusiasts, are you ready to embark on an adventure of a lifetime? Ready to dive into one of the Middle East's hidden gems? Jordan is calling your name. Today, I'm taking you on a journey through Jordan. This country is a blend of ancient history, stunning landscapes, and vibrant culture. From the ancient splendor of Petra to the otherworldly landscapes of Wadi Rum, Jordan offers a diverse range of experiences that will leave you in awe. Jordan is a treasure trove of unforgettable experiences. Whether you're a history buff, an adventure seeker, or a foodie, there's something here for everyone. Buckle up, because here are my top tips for an unforgettable trip. These tips will help you make the most of your Jordanian adventure. First up, get yourself a Jordan Pass. This pass is your golden ticket to exploring Jordan without any hassle. This little gem is a game changer. It covers your visa fee and grants you access to over 40 attractions, including Petra, Jerash, and Wadi Rum. It covers your visa fee and grants you access to over 40 attractions, including Petra. Imagine the convenience of having all these sites at your fingertips. Trust me, it saves both time and money. You can focus on enjoying your trip, rather than worrying about entrance fees. Speaking of Petra, aim to arrive as early as possible. The site opens at 6 a.m., and the early morning light makes the rose-red city even more magical. The site opens at 6 a.m. and beating the crowds means you can soak in the majesty of the treasury without a sea of selfie sticks. Next, let's talk transportation. Renting a car is hands down the best way to explore Jordan. It gives you the freedom to travel at your own pace and discover hidden gems off the beaten path. The roads are well maintained and driving gives you the flexibility to stop at those hidden gems along the way, like the little-known Dana Biosphere Reserve. This reserve is a haven for nature lovers and offers stunning views and hiking trails, plus, it's super fun navigating through the desert landscape. The vast open roads and dramatic scenery make for an unforgettable road trip. Now onto something savory, the food. Jordanian cuisine is a delightful blend of flavors and traditions. You cannot leave Jordan without trying mansaf, the national dish. This dish is a true representation of Jordanian hospitality and culture. It's a flavorful combination of lamb cooked in fermented dried yogurt and served with rice. The rich, savory taste is something you'll remember long after your trip. Head to a local restaurant for the most authentic experience. The warm, welcoming atmosphere will make you feel right at home. And don't forget to try kanafe, a mouth-watering dessert made with cheese and soaked in sweet syrup. It's the perfect way to end a meal. For all you adventure seekers, Wadi Rum is a must-visit. This desert valley is like stepping onto another planet, with its towering rock formations and vast, sandy expanses. This desert valley is like stepping onto another planet. The landscape is so unique and otherworldly, you'll feel like you're in a sci-fi movie. Consider booking a stay at a Bedouin camp. The Bedouins are known for their hospitality, and staying with them is a great way to experience their culture and traditions. Not only will you experience traditional Bedouin hospitality, but you'll also get to stargaze in one of the clearest night skies on Earth. The lack of light pollution makes for an incredible stargazing experience. Pro tip, take a camel or jeep tour at sunset for the most breathtaking views. The changing colors of the desert at sunset are truly magical. Alright, let's not forget the Dead Sea. This natural wonder is one of the most unique places on Earth. Floating in its salty waters is a surreal experience you won't find anywhere else. The high salt content makes you buoyant, so you can effortlessly float on the surface. Cover yourself in the mineral-rich mud for a natural spa treatment. The mud is known for its therapeutic properties and will leave your skin feeling rejuvenated. It's like a day of pampering with Mother Nature herself. The combination of floating and the mud treatment is a unique and relaxing experience. Finally, connect with the locals. Jordanians are incredibly hospitable and love sharing their culture. These interactions will enrich your travel experience and give you a deeper understanding of the country. Jordanians are incredibly hospitable and love sharing their culture. Whether it's over a cup of Arabic coffee or a casual chat at a market, these interactions often turn into the most cherished memories of your trip. Whether it's over a cup of Arabic coffee or a casual chat at a market, these interactions often turn into the most cherished memories of your trip. The warmth and friendliness of the people will make you feel welcome and at home. So, there you have it. Jordan is a land of history, adventure, and warm hospitality. It's a destination that will captivate your heart and leave you with memories to last a lifetime. Jordan is a land of history, adventure, and warm hospitality. From ancient ruins to stunning landscapes, there's so much to explore and discover. Pack your bags, grab your camera, and get ready for an unforgettable journey. Jordan awaits you with open arms and endless adventures. Thanks for tuning in, and happy travels. May your journey through Jordan be filled with wonder and joy. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more travel tips and adventures. Stay tuned for more exciting destinations and travel guides.